wasn't born so much as I fell out. Nobody seemed to notice me. We had a hedge back home in the suburb, over which I never could see. I heard the people who live on the ceiling screaming fight hysterically. Hearing that noise was my first ever feeling. That's how it's been all around me. I'm all lost in the supermarket.
That totally looks like cake.
Huh. You eat it like that or put it on the plate?
Yeah, look. Hot as balls. Yeah,
It's cake.
it's totally cake.